guys, one last look before we head out. In a little over 2.5 hours it is done. Obviously we don't have any furniture or white goods, so packing up and moving is relatively easy, and obviously not having little ones, that also helps because that takes up a little bit of time and effort. So final last look guys at our humble abode before we head off into the sunset and continue this amazing Wanderlust journey. As I said at the beginning, don't know too many people that have moved countries 3 times in the middle of a pandemic, but it's pretty good. Not a bad place, guys. If you any of you expats are coming to Thailand, need a good place to live that's quiet, comfortable, reasonably affordable, the residence here in Sukhumvit 24 in Bangkok is really, really good. The good thing is the key furniture and white goods are included, so you don't need to go for that expense and buy all those expensive things. The beds are new. We got new mattresses when we moved in. All the key furniture. Actually good storage in this house too. Lots of cupboards and cabinets and that type of thing. So that's pretty good as well. Ensuite bathroom, double sinks, his and hers. Always a fan of that. In Thailand, a must, aircon. Relatively good internet, high-speed internet, for about 1800 baht a month, which is pretty good really. Pay TV included as part of that package. It's got about 40 international stations, you know, BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, all the international news channels, good movie channels. It's a combination of, I think, Fox, Astra, True, which is the company here in Thailand. It's a combination of everything, but it's got Chinese, Korean, Thai, English, Malay channels, so quite helpful for those of you that are again international and of a non-English speaking background. Nice dining area, good furniture, great kitchen, separate obviously, really good kitchen, gas cooktop with 1 electric hot plate, microwave, fridge there behind the door, separate laundry outside, as you all seen once before, washing machine. This is an outdoor area, you can dry your clothes outside, that's out of the sort of sun so they don't get too parched dry. Most of the drying you do inside because it is Thailand after all and things are quite humid, so we dry things inside. Dries pretty quickly in the air conditioning anyway. So guys, packed up, shipped off. The guys have already gone, boxes are gone. I think they're just loading the final boxes in the truck now. Off its way onto a big boat, headed to our next destination, guys, which we'll be bringing you in a later episode. So stay tuned. Thanks for supporting our channel. We hope you do enjoy our journeys. We certainly enjoy your company and having you, especially those of you that are members. Thank you to our gold, silver and our bronze members. We really appreciate having you part of our everlasting journey. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. And from the residence in Bangkok, an apartment 10G, may your journeys be a success.